Hello, I'm Sai Manju. So I'm from Karnataka. So I have completed my degree BCA. So after that, I was thinking to work in IT. So I googled it in the SDLC Training is very good. I saw reviews and all. So I came here. Santosh sir told me that do good counseling. So after that, I joined here. After counseling from Santosh, so I attended demo class. So Santosh, the trainer had taken demo class, so I attended. So as a good, also he's a very good trainer, and also he has said me, he also suggested me this Python course, and happily I joined. Also before lockdown I joined. See what happened in. So I think before lockdown, 1 month ago I joined. So what happened after again lockdown? So that trainer has trained in online classes. So after lockdown, now we are in offline class. Offline class also finished. Yes, everything. I'm happy with a good trainer. I'm happy trainer. And I should say thanks for management because they helped me a lot. So they have 17. The Santosh sir is there. He has 17 plus years experience in Bangalore of problem solving software. And also he explained me a lot about careers, about my life, everything. I'm going to thank for management team, and especially Santosh sir. And also I'm next planning for a resume preparation and job, and I hope he will help me. System Medical they are managing and they have promised getting job for us. Okay, I'm happy with them. Thanks. If you are really looking for a software course and IT jobs, and please visit. I recommend it. Please visit SDLC Training Center. You just Google it, sdlc.in, and you will see reviews and visit here. And happily you will get support. You will get support from Santosh sir and management team, SDLC management team, also trainers. Vets.